Magandang gabi sa aking mga nanonood sa aking video na ito ay aking ituturo ang tungkol sa mga konsepto. Okay? Introduction to Financial Accounting at ang lahat ng uri ng mga teorya na meron sa loob ng pag-aaral ng accounting. Simulan na natin. So, accounting is defined as the collection, compilation, and systematic recording of business transactions. In terms of money, the preparation of financial reports, the analysis and interpretation of these reports, and the use of these reports for the information and guidance of management. So basically, no, ang accounting, unang-una, no, it collects, no, data. Kino-compile niya yan. And then, nire-record niya yan or tinatawag ding paglilibro. That is why pwede rin sabihin na ang accounting ay bookkeeping because we bookkeep those business transactions. At nga lang, it has to be in terms of money. And then afterwards, we prepare the financial reports, no, tulad ng income statement, statement of owner's equity, cash flow, balance sheet, and so on and so forth. And then we analyze them and then we establish interpretation. No? At after that, of course, ang mahalaga dyan yung reporting. No? Because sabi, it will be the guidance of the management. Okay? So what are the phases of accounting? Isa rin ito sa mga definition, no, ng accounting. It is a systematic recording, classifying, summarizing, and interpreting. Okay? So, yung phases na yan yung pagkakasunod-sunod na proseso ng tinatawag na accounting. We record through journalization of the transactions, business transactions. Tapos, we classify them through the posting to the accounts na kung saan ginagamit ay ang general ledger. And then we also summarize, no, through the trial balance. And then one way of interpreting ay ang tinatawag na financial reporting. Kaya lang, aside from financial reports or financial statements, ginagamitan din yan ng mga tinatawag na horizontal and vertical analysis and financial ratios to properly interpret, okay, the result of the transactions of a particular business. So, sino ang gumagamit ng accounting? May dalawa tayong tinutukoy dito, no? We have the internal users, the owners, mga may-ari, managers, mga department heads, at kasama na mga empleyado, no? Mahalaga sa kanila na makita yung accounting information. Kadalasan kasi, no, hindi ito talaga confidential. Okay? Kasi we're talking about financial accounting. Okay. Kadalasan at the end of the year, sinasama yan ng kumpanya sa kanilang financial report, no? Through their company profile. Okay? Lahat yon pinapakita nila. And then, may external users. Ginagamit din yung mga yan para sa pagkilala sa kumpanya, no? Who are those na mga external users? The suppliers, ang bangko, mga customers, mga investors, potential investors din. And of course, BIR o yung tax authorities natin. Mahalaga sa kanila rin na makita yan. Okay? Mamaya malalaman natin bakit mahalaga ito na makita para mai-report sa kanila ang situation ng isang kumpanya. One of the concept ay ating pag-aaralan later on. So, before that, pag-aralan muna natin types of business. Pero hindi ibig sabihin ang accounting pang negosyo lang. Accounting is also used para sa mga tinatawag na non-profitable organizations like charitable institutions. Mga religious organization ay gumagamit din ng accounting. So lahat ng organization, whether profitable or non-profitable. Kaya lang, sa pag-aaral ng accounting, mas medyo madali, no, intindihin kapag pinag-aralan natin, no, on the point of view of the business, yung paraan ng accounting. So dalawa 'yan, no, sa pangkalahatan na uri ng negosyo as to ownership and as to operation. So as to ownership, You have the sole proprietor. Ibig sabihin ng sole, nag-iisa lang ang may-ari ng business. Partnership, two or more persons, no? So, dalawa o mas marami pa na nagsama ng kanilang, okay, combine their money, property, industry to a common fund, no? Then, later on, of course, they have to divide their profits among themselves. And then you have also the corporation. Ang isang korporasyon ay isang tinatawag na legal entity. Okay, isang buhay na nilalang na, okay, na composed of stockholders, okay, starts from its incorporators, yung mga nagtatag. Okay? Kadalasan 5 to 15 yan, no? Na mga incorporators. And then you have also na as to operation na uri ng mga negosyo. Service type, okay? These businesses, they provide or they render service, no? To their customers tulad ng salon, ng spa, ng accounting firm, law firm, ayan. Basta service yung kanilang ibinibigay sa kanilang mga kliyente. Merchandising, okay, from the term merchandise, mga produkto, mga paninda, okay, from books, clothing, sasakyan, furniture, okay, anything that you could, ano, no, na malaman mo na paninda ito, no? Kaya lang, ang merchandising, okay, these businesses kasi, okay, bumili na sila ng buo na yung produkto. Kaya nga, the other definition of merchandising ay buy and sell. So they buy products and then pinatungan nila sa kanila ibebenta. So that is considered merchandising. Pero kapag manufacturing na, iba ng uri ito. So ang binibili nila, they buy raw materials and then they put that into process pagkatapos naging finished goods and then doon lang nila siya ibebenta. Okay, so bakit mo pinapaliwanag yan, sir? Well, the thing is, iba-iba kasi yung tinatawag na paraan ng accounting, no? Base sa uri ng mga negosyo, no? Base sa uri ng dami ng tao na mga may-ari o kaya kasi a corporation may also own another corporation. So iba yung approach ng accounting sa mga yan and then sa operation iba rin ang approach. Okay, iba yung presentation ng reports or even kahit yung paglilibro, no, sa mga transactions na nila ay magkakaiba din. Okay? But of course, there are similarities because iisa lang naman ang ating konsepto pagdating sa accounting. So, basic accounting concepts. So, ito yan. Number one, money measurement concept. Okay. According to this concept, we can book only those transactions in our accounting record which can be measured in monetary terms. So, ibig sabihin, ang pwede daw lang nating ilibro o itala, isulat, no, sa ating talaan na tinatawag na general journal ay in monetary terms. Okay, measurable by monetary terms lang. And then we have also the going concern concept. Ano daw ibig sabihin nito? Our accounting is based on the assumption that a business unit is a going concern. Bakit daw? We record all the financial transaction of a business in keeping this point of view in our mind that a business unit is a going concern and not a gone concern. Ibig sabihin, nagpapatuloy ang isang negosyo. Pag sinimulan mo to, hindi ito basta-basta na lang namamatay. Dapat ang isip ng accounting ay patuloy itong umandar, gumana, lumago, lumaki. Okay? Yan ang going concern concept sa accounting. Okay? Meron din tinatawag tayong entity assumption. So the entity assumption dictates that business records must be kept separate and distinct from the personal records of the owners. Ano ang ibig sabihin yan? Hiwalay ang may-ari sa kanyang negosyo. Kaya hindi pwedeng pagsamahin yung transactions ng owners at ng business. It has to be separated. Okay, aside from that, sa entity concept na ito, iba rin yung may recording, no? Every time na nagpapasok or nag-i-invest ang may-ari. Ganon din kapag ito ay nagwi-withdraw. It has to be recorded in the books para malaman na hiwalay sila sa business. Okay? So, using this assumption, ang business ay isang buhay na nilalang na yan. Sa paningin ng accounting, isang tunay na tao na yan na may sariling buhay. Okay? So, another concept is the cost concept. Ano ibig sabihin nun? We book the value of assets on the cost basis, not on the net realizable value or market value of the assets, based on the assumption that a business unit is a going concern. No doubt, we reduce the value of assets, providing depreciation to assets, but we ignore the market value of the assets. Ang ibig sabihin kasi ng cost concept, whenever na tayo ay naglilibro, we follow the rule na makita mo na yung official receipt. Yun yung pinaka-cost eh. Okay? Hindi yung halaga ng binili natin na nakabase sa market value or sa net realizable value. Magkano ba talaga yung pagkakabili? Okay, especially on the assets, magkano ba talaga? Okay, so we use that particular notion para ilibro. Okay? Kasi para maiwasan na ma-manipulate natin yan. So, dual aspect concept. There must be a double entry to complete any financial transaction. Means may debit at may credit. And also, debit should be always equal to credit. Hence, every financial transaction has its dual aspect. Sabi niya, we get some benefit and we pay some benefit. Kung may tinanggap tayo, meron kasi tayong ibinigay o ipinagkaloob. Okay? Sa part 2 nito, I will be discussing debit and credit ng mas malalim kasi magtuturo na tayo sa part 2 kung paano maglibro. Okay? So for our introduction, there is a dual aspect in dual aspect concept sa accounting. Tinatawag din siyang dual entry concept. Okay? Whenever na may binigay, kasi meron kang tinanggap. Okay? And then I will tell you kung paano mag-identify, okay, kung ano yung nade-debit at ano yung makikredit kapag may transaction or may event sa isang business. Okay? So, meron pang tinatawag tayong accounting period concept. Okay? The life of a business unit is indefinite. Ibig sabihin, indefinite, no? Walang hangganan. Hindi mo rin alam kung hanggang kailan ito. So, to determine the profit or loss of a firm and to ascertain its financial position, profit and loss accounts and balance sheets are prepared at regular intervals of time, usually at the end of each year. So, ibig sabihin, yung accounting period ay isang buong taon o tinatawag ng one-year cycle. Okay? Bakit daw? The purpose of having an accounting period is to take corrective measures keeping in view the past performances. So una, makita natin nung mga nakaraang taon yung kanyang performance. Kumita ba siya? Nalugi ba siya? So ibig sabihin, may tinatawag na cut-off and the cut-off is for 1-year period. So kadalasan from January 1 to December 31, yan yung buong 1-year accounting cycle natin. Okay? Also, to nullify the effect of seasonal changes and to pay taxes kasi nakabase tayo sa peryodo pag nagbabayad ng buwis, no? Pwedeng monthly payment, pwedeng quarterly, and kadalasan yung ITR natin, income tax return natin is for 1-year period, no? To really determine kung magkano ang kabuang babayaran ng isang kumpanya sa kanyang buwis. And then may tinatawag tayong matching concept. So ang matching concept is based on the accounting period concept. The expenditures of a firm for a particular accounting period are to be matched with the revenue of the same accounting period to a certain accurate profit or loss of the firm for the same period. Ang ibig sabihin kasi nitong matching concept, sa katapusan ng taon, kailangan magkaroon ka ng tinatawag na ima-match mo kung tama ba yung mga binayaran, kung tama ba yung mga kinita, kung tama ba yung pagkakalugi. Okay? At kung tama ba yung halaga na ng mga assets ng isang kumpanya. Sa makatwid, ang tinutukoy sa matching concept ay yung tinatawag na adjusting entries. Ia-adjust natin yung mga accounts natin kung siya ay accurate pa rin o hindi para sa eksaktong peryodo doon sa isang business. Okay? And sabi niya, this practice of matching is widely accepted all over the world. The matching concept or the adjusting entries will be discussed on a separate video na kung saan kasi medyo mahaba iyon. So, it will be discussed thoroughly on a particular video, probably part 3 na. Okay? So, the basic accounting equation. Financial accounting is based upon the accounting equation na assets is equals to liabilities plus owner's equity. Ang ibig sabihin nito, ang kabuuan ng assets, alam naman natin ang ibig sabihin pag sinabing asset, pag-aari ng kumpanya, okay, o mga tinatawag na current and non-current assets. These are all owned by the business. Okay? Pag sinabi namang liabilities, mga utang ng negosyo. Okay? Owed by the business. Okay? Tapos, meron tayong tinatawag na owner's equity. Ano ibig sabihin ng owner's equity? It is the interest of the owner to the business. It is also known as the investment of the owner to its business. So the equation ay pinapakita niya assets is equals to liabilities plus owner's equity. Ano ibig sabihin? If out of 100%, let us say lagyan natin ng 100% dito sa asset, kung ang liabilities ay 30%, yung owner's equity means 70. Okay? Kasi lagi yan equal. Hindi siya pwedeng magkaiba. Okay? Yan yung tinatawag nating balance. And okay, lagi siya ng ganyan. Always balance yung mathematical equation na yan. Okay? So, if assets total to $300 and liabilities total to 200, automatic, the owner's equity is 100. Okay? Bali-balik ta rin mo man, it should be equal. Okay? Using this equation. And then the balance sheet is an expanded expression of the accounting equation. Ito na yung expanded equation niyan. Asset is equals to liabilities plus capital plus revenue minus expense. Ano ibig sabihin, sir, ba't dinagdag yung revenue? Okay, kapag kumikita ang kumpanya, remember the term revenue is also known as income or profit. So whenever na kumikita siya, it will be add up to the capital. Pero every time na nag-i-incur siya ng expense, na nagbabayad ng sahod, ng kuryente, ng tubig, ng telepono, nababawasan yung kanyang kinikita. At the same time, nababawasan din yung kanyang capital account. So, this is it for the video for the part 1 of our discussion on the basic accounting principles. On the next video, I will be showing you the chart of accounts, the dual entry, and basically kung paano nang maglibro, kung paano gumamit ng general journal. So thank you for listening. And if you have any inquiry, please do so. Ask me on the comments below. Thank you.